Yeah.
Oh! Look at this. Now you can, when it slows it down.
Yeah, baby? Come on. There you go. That was close. Oh my gosh, that's
bandidos above.
He's smart though.
Yeah. He goes quickly, room.
So that's
¿Verdad, Pepe? ¿Ah? ¿Qué estás haciendo, vos?
Hey, qué lindo, Pepe. No, he doesn't want to do it anymore. Yeah, Pepe? No, he doesn't want to go for that. He wants to go for me.
Chacho.
There he goes.
Lo bota.
He wants to play with you now.
Look at that. ¡Ay, qué rico, rico!
Coño.
¡Ay,
Las de pico.
¡Ay, qué rico, rico!
Wow, he took that thing apart. Yeah, he went with it.
Bandido, bandido. Nine. What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up, Pepe? What's up? Now he is mad. No. Freddy está loco. ¿Quieres salir? No, Freddy. Pepito. Freddy. A ver un piojito. Lo que te digo, man. A ver un piojito.
Why is he mad though?
Porque le agarré esto. Y no puede agarrar la mano.
Say, let go. Once he puts his foot on it, that's when he starts getting in.
Princey. Pasha. Ay. No, yo sé lo que... Princey.
You do it for me? Sí,
¿Y cómo es la cosa? No sé
No, it's
nada.
like, like this.
Wait, I have to...
Yeah, like this. Better.
And
No, you don't have to press any.
Ya está, me. ¿Viste? I don't have to do what? Christian.
Oh, you see? He was trying to get me.
I only have to hold it?
Yeah, you just have to hold it. You alright? Cause I was thinking he's gonna strike me if I go. Refuser. He's like, stop it. Okay, how about this side? How about this side? Come on. I know you want it.
No, he's not doing it anymore.
Whoa. Striker.
No, now he's mad.
Skater.
It's too much light over there.
We can't quite see him.
You see, the sun is over there.
Oh, he destroyed this thing.
Yeah.
Holy cow. don't think I can even do that.
Okay, turn it off.